Hi folks, in the last video we created a simple button component. We understood what are tags, what are attributes and what are HTML elements. In this video let's understand what are HTML structure, how to structure an HTML document, what are head section, what are body section, which contents are placed under which. We'll find all those in this video. Let's get on to the video. In the first line, we specify the doc type. We are just telling the browser this document is an HTML5 document. That's it. This is not part of the HTML itself. It just specifies the type of the document. Next, we have the HTML. We have a opening HTML tag and the closing HTML tag. In between whatever we have, this is the HTML content. And then we have the head tag inside the HTML tag. Head will have other tags like meta tag, title tag and other tags. The first one is the meta tag. The meta tag gives more information about the web page. In this page we are telling that this cat set belongs to UTF-8. Next is the title. Whenever we are creating a web page, in the top we have the title. So that is given here. Next comes the body. So this is the opening tag and the close tag. Only the contents which are inside the body will be visible in the browser. Here we have an H1 tag, paragraph tag and the div tag. You can observe here all this is having a open tag and the closing tag. In between that we have the content. Let's go ahead and create this HTML structure. Let's see, we have not created the HTML structure here. We don't have a HTML, we don't have title, we don't have anything. But how the browser is rendering all the other content. Let's go through inspect element and see. Here you can see the browser itself is added the HTML tag here. It has added the empty head tag. It has created a body tag, and inside the body tag we have the button. So if we are not adding it, the browser will add it, but it is always good to add it ourselves. So let's add this content here. First let's create a doc type. So this is the doc type HTML. Now we are telling the browser it's an HTML5 document. Next is we are telling it is an HTML. Now we have created the HTML opening and the close tag. Inside this we will have the head section and then we will have the body section. Here let's create a meta tag with cat set UTF-8. We have the title tag. Let's create some title, web development, and then let's go to the body tag. Let's have some content here. Let's have H1. And also let's move this button inside the body so that it will be visible. Let's go to the okay. So this is how all the headings will look like. So H1 is the big one, and next is H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. So this is how the headings look like in the browser. You can see now whatever we have given that comes here. You can see here the title is web development. You can see it is reflecting here. So it's always good to add it on our own. So when we are creating an HTML, we should mention all these things and then we should create a HTML document. Let's have a paragraph tag. Let's see how this looks. So this is the paragraph. So in the similar way we can create whichever components we want. Let me stop it here. So this is how the web page is created. Now we know how to create a web page, what is the HTML structure, what are HTML elements, what are HTML tags, and how to give attributes or properties to an HTML element. So this is the very basic of the HTML. In the next video, let's see the other HTML elements.